Hey guys, what's up? In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to create this chrome 3D look. Maybe you've seen it all on Instagram. I haven't really seen any tutorials for it, so I decided to make one. So if you're new to my channel, here on my channel, I love to talk about anything nail related, nail business, nail tutorials, reviewing, and so on. So let's go ahead and get into this tutorial. I'll be showing you everything you need to create this. So this is a gel nail design. So what you'll need is a color of your choice for the base color. You'll need a black and you'll need a chrome top coat. You'll also need some silver chrome for the metallic look and then an iridescent chrome. This is optional if you want to add, a little more dimension to your nails. And of course, you'll also need a top coat to seal everything in. Alright, so I'm going to be starting with 3 plain swatch sticks. So I'm just going to go ahead and paint one fully in the pink color. This is the color that I'd like to have as my base. We're going to go ahead and just put this one in the lamp. For our next one here, we're going to do this one in the black base because we want a chrome background. So we're just going to cover this. I'll show you guys a little trick with this one. It doesn't work with all the gels, but it does work with the Nail Essentials gel, which is great, and it's a time-saving hack that I actually saw someone do on TikTok, and it has helped me do just that, save time. Alright, and for this last one here, we're just going to go ahead and take the chrome base, and we're just going to put that on because we are not using a color for this one. We're just going to use the iridescent chrome as the base for this one. And then we're just going to go ahead and put this one in the lamp too. Alright, so this is fully cured. What I'm going to do now is just go in with a chrome base. Add that on top. And we're going to put this back in the lamp to cure. Our black is done now, so I'm going to show you what I do with the black and with the chrome. So now that it's fully cured, I'm just going to take a little lint-free wipe and my alcohol, and I'm just going to swipe it in some alcohol, and then I'm just going to wait for it to dry. Well, I'm going to dry it myself with my hand, but to help speed it up. Okay, so with this helps eliminate using the chrome base, and it'll save you time and product. You have to make sure it's completely dry. So you see there's still that little wet drop there. You want it completely dry, and you do have a certain amount of time in between all of this to make sure that the chrome sticks. So shortly after it's completely dry, you have to go in with the chrome, otherwise it may not stick. Alright, it is completely dry now, so I'm going to take this chrome right here and my little brush. We're just going to rub that in. Okay, our pink is cured. We're just going to go in with this iridescent chrome. And this just gives it a little shine, makes it look prettier. Alright, and the last one we have to add chrome to is this one, so I'm just going to go in with my iridescent chrome and just apply that. Okay. So here's how all of our bases look. Now we're just going to go in with the design. So we're going to start with this one right here. For this one, we are going to need to mix a little bit of the black gel on this palette here with the chrome base. We are running low, so I use this stuff so much. All right, and now we're just gonna mix this together. And I mixed both of these because the black helps the chrome powder really pop, and then with the chrome base coat, it helps the chrome go on how it's supposed to. So when you mix both of these together, it works perfectly and creates that perfect base for the chrome. All right, so we're just gonna take a liner brush and we're just gonna scoop up some product and we're gonna put it on. You're gonna put it on kind of thick so it's raised up a bit. And also layering is key when it comes to doing this design to make it really pop. Or you can just use a thicker gel. That'll help you save some time. For this next one, we are just going to take a jelly color, put it on thick, and then we're going to put it in the lamp. So we're going to put that on thick so it's raised up, and we're going to hold it upside down, and we're going to put it in the lamp like that. All right, this is done. So we're just gonna take our brush and take our chrome and we're gonna rub that in. We're gonna dust it. And then we're gonna go back in with some more chrome mixture to build this up. And to create some dimension. Okay, we have this nail out of the lamp. I built that up with 2 layers of gel that I just kind of blobbed on there. So now what we're going to do is take a top coat and we're going to seal it. And you could just wipe that gel with acetone too if you'd like, but I just like to top coat it because I don't want to bump the chrome that's exposed underneath of it with the acetone. Alright, and we're just going to put that back in the lamp to cure. This one is back out, so we're going to add some more. Now what we're going to do is go in with a thicker gel to add some dimension to these nails. So this design does require quite a bit of layering, I feel like, but you know, it's super easy to do. Like, you don't have to be really precise, which is nice. So you're able to kind of do whatever with it. So here's how that looks. We're gonna put it back in the lamp. Okay, so now what we're gonna do is we want these 3D gel globs here to look encapsulated a little bit, or like, you know, kind of let's see, like it's placed inside of the chrome. I don't know the right term to use, but you'll see what I mean. So we're just going to take this and then we're going to take this around it. All right, lastly, we're just gonna top coat this nail. Here's how it looks. All right, this just came out the lamp. We're gonna add the chrome in here. All right, as you can see, it's kind of flat, so this is when we're gonna go in with some of that thicker gel that I have and just make it pop and add the dimension to this design. The gel that I'm using right here is just a like Amazon brand, the Savvyland gel. I don't really recommend this gel. It's a hard gel. It comes in a big container, but it takes forever to cure. So you have to be super patient. It's really runny, but it's such a huge jar that it's nice to use for designs, but I just don't recommend it because it's more of a headache. All right, and for this last one, we are also going to make this with the 3D gel in the middle. So we are going to put the gel right on here, a thick little layer. All right, we have that on. I just turn it upside down for a moment to let it fall to the front. And then I'm going to put it in the lamp. All right, that is cured, and I just want to add a little bit of iridescent pigment to the top of this. And we're gonna do the same with this one as we did with the full chrome one. We're just gonna take some of our mixed chrome base and we're just gonna wrap it around this 3D gel color. And you can do whatever type of design that you want to do. You just want it to look like, you know, like a molten metal. All right, and if you guys can guess what's next, we're gonna go in with the gel and just kind of add some streaks and follow along some of those designs to make that pop. And you know, to give it that dimension. I hope you found this tutorial very helpful. I've been seeing these nails everywhere and I was like, oh my gosh, like how do you create it? Usually like for some of the trendier nail designs, you never really see a tutorial. So you have to kind of just do your best to recreate, you know, visually like see it and okay, like you just have to like kind of like improvise in a way. So I hope this was helpful. I feel like this does come close to a lot of those designs. Comment down below, let me know if you're going to give this design a try. If you do give it a try, you know, tag me on Instagram. I'd love to see your work. It is Your Nail Plug X. I am Your Nail Plug X on all social media platforms. All right, we're gonna put that in the lamp to cure now. All right, here's the finished result. Here's how they all look. Let me know which design is your favorite. Let me know if you give it a try. That's all for today's video. See you guys in a new video soon. Bye.